How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Camaro RS. We got it out of a personal collection. Gentleman had restored it a couple years back. So all the bumpers been redone. It's got the chin spoiler they added to the front. I really like it's the factory cameo white with the black nose stripe. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. It's got show quality paint on it. All the body panel fitment's very nice. Got a nice set of 17-inch Rev Classics. I really like the gray center on this car. It looks real nice. Just accents the car. This car's got a lot of options. So all the taillight housings have been replaced, as well as the rear bumper being redone. And the cameo white is the factory color on the car. It's the way it came out of the factory. It's got the numbers matching, 327, 275 horse, 4-barrel motor in it. It's got factory air conditioning, power steering. It's got power disc brakes. Nicely detailed. Got all the stock exhaust manifolds and nice dual exhaust out the back. They did upgrade the trans from the original trans to a 700 R4 overdrive. Nice upgrade. See how clean the doors are. The interior's just beautiful in this car. Dash is nice and clean, neat, like it should be. Headliner's real nice. All your sail panels. Front and rear seat belts with the shoulder straps. It's got AM, FM, all works, factory. It's got the factory clock in the console, nice option there. It's just a very nice car, folks. And I believe this car's got most of the original panels on it. Just a super nice car. Dash is real nice in the car. All the AC vents are nice and chrome like they should be. The clock works, AM FM works. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Fires right up. I really like the hideaway headlights are really cool. They all fit real nice. Car sounds real good out the back. reverse lights, everything in this car works. Tell you, come out of that personal collection, it's just a super nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.